Today, I'll show you how JCAATs makes AI-driven financial analytics simple. Using Apple's 10K risk factors, we applied text mining and machine learning to uncover signals that predict future performance. The research has 4 phases, a framework that can be broadly applied. With JCAATs, we can efficiently collect data, prepare data, build models, and interpret results. Our hypothesis: the sentiment scores and textual styles of risk factors can effectively predict next year's net income. Phase 1 is data collection. Using the JCAATs XBRL Connector, we retrieved Apple's 10K reports from the SEC EDGAR platform, covering more than 10 years. In minutes, we obtained both structured income statements and unstructured risk factor text. Phase 2 is data preparation. We created 2 independent variables. First, sentiment scores, by converting risk factor text into positive and negative values. Second, textual style, by applying text clustering to capture different writing patterns and converting them into usable variables. The results show that Apple's risk factors, red bars represent positive sentiment, blue bars represent negative. Textual style also shifted with external events. For example, compliance risks appeared after 2012, and COVID-19 and ESG concerns increased after 2020. Next, we defined the dependent variable, next year's net income, and combined all data into a research dataset. Phase 3 is modeling. We tested multiple machine learning algorithms, using random forest as an example, with F1 score as the evaluation metric. In JCAATs, researchers only need to set target and independent variables. The system handles training and validation automatically. The system then generates confusion matrices, evaluation metrics, and feature importance. Results show that sentiment scores and textual style significantly contribute to prediction. Phase 4 emphasizes explainable AI. The predict command loads a trained machine learning model and applies it to financial research data, generating forecasts such as next year net income. With a trained model, JCAATs instantly outputs predictions of net income changes along with probabilities, showing not only the result but also the confidence. JCAATs enhances AI result transparency through its explain command. The built-in SHAP analysis shows each feature's contribution, helping users understand not only what the result is, but also why it occurs. This study demonstrates that with JCAATs' automated workflow, financial report analysis and visualization can be completed within minutes, greatly improving efficiency. More importantly, the process can be saved as a script, allowing adjustments or extensions to other studies at any time. Today, many accountants, analysts, and researchers already use JCAATs for powerful financial reporting and research. JCAATs transforms data into knowledge, driving teaching, research, and auditing. We welcome you to contact us to learn more about AI auditing applications and techniques.